storm has hit us, and I'll let this explain. Firstly, as I walk into the yard, this, which was there, it's like flew over or something like that. I can't remember. It might have been over there actually. But it's kind of a mess. I'm not saying it isn't always a mess, but more of a mess. And more things are damaged. So that's a problem. As you can see on the goat shed, it's not just from yesterday, but we've had serious flooding. Here, all this here was flooded up to about here. It was all flooded. So it came up to about here. Not that high, but then it flooded the goat. Oh, didn't think you could do that, but okay. As you can see, the paws are muddy. Sweet and muddy. Right, look, it's broke right there, and inside, it's ripped so many out. Unreal. I'm just going to go to the side of the greenhouse, and this has been ripped out here. Oh, I didn't even see that. That's been ripped out. That over there's been ripped out. There's all the goats here. Yeah, all the goats are here so far, and we're going to have to fix this back up. So that's kind of a problem. Let's see how the ducks are doing. Right, Boris, please don't do that. So we've had a problem with this. When it comes up, it goes over the other side instead of rolling up. So I'm going to have to do that off camera because I won't be able to do it while holding the camera. It's not. I've cleaned it out the other day, actually. What I've done is we fed them peas. Quiet! Yeah, no, quiet. So you want food? Okay, I'll get you some food. Right, they're begging for food, so we'll just come over here and we'll get them some food. Right. Yeah, it's kind of a bit of a mess. There's some down here. I'll pick that up in a bit. Right. As you can see, it's been very, very windy. So I'll just give them a bit. Well, I fed them peas yesterday, and alright, so I'll give them. It's not that much. Don't look that much on camera, but it's actually quite a lot in there. I always give them more anyway at the end. So yeah. So, yeah, I am getting the food. So let them eat that. They've got enough water. They're out most of the time when I'm up here, unless we've got to do something, the ducks are. Right, so I think we need to go over to the chickens because their hut the other day wasn't fox-proof, let's just say that. I'll explain in a minute. I'll see you over there. As you can see here, I've literally just come over and we've got a food problem. There's a hole. Looks like the doors blew open. There's a huge hole in the roof. The roof has been ripped off. And I don't know where it's gone. I've looked around, but this is totally gone. That's a big problem. That's a huge problem. Oh no, what am I going to do? That is a huge problem. Oh no. Right, so the other day, this was up here as well. I put it down and it was exactly the same as these, the level. And over the night, through the wind, it's been ripped off. So let's just have a look at the damage from the inside. Let's just feed these chickens first then. It's alright, Mrs. It's alright. You've been trapped outside. I'll give you a bit of corn. Oh, there, that's that. Spread corn in. Just spread corn for them. It's never really happened before. This is just the case. I don't know why. I'll have to put something on it. Right, I've just let them out. They're coming out here. Just checking we've got all of them. Yep, we've got all of them. Right, let's just shut this door. There's a hook on the outside. The hook's in. So, I'm going to clean this out. It's got really muddy because of this up here. Ah, that's a big, huge problem. Well, I'm a farmer, so I've got to deal with it. Right, let's have a look on top. Standing on the foxtrot. Whoa. It's ripped off. The other piece next to it, as you can see, that needs hammering down again. So I'm going to have to sort all that out. I did it yesterday as well. So I'm going to have to do that again. That's annoyed me.
I've done the best I can. Most of the holes are covered apart from that one at the end there. Ooh, why are you trying to nibble my finger? Did you see that? He's trying to nibble my finger. He's so cheeky, this one. We've still got one of them out. Minnie! Come here! That one's Minnie, by the way, if you don't know. So, yeah. Can't see really her in the corner. I can't, but you can. All of them are here. They're all fine. Just need feed and water in a minute bit. Let's go and make sure the chicken shed is fox proof. I'm just going to feed the chickens again. Got quite a bit there. I'm going to put it in the air. It's everywhere. It's quite cool. Right, let's get this chicken shed sorted.
This is a pain. I can't hammer that into anything there. Looks like it's only got one on then. It'll leak in, but it's the best I can do until the summer. It will leak in, but it's the best I can do until the summer. I'll sort it all out then, really. Don't think that's coming up. Hopefully not, anyway. Should be safe. Yeah, that should be. But it's solid. You can't pick you up. You can't. So, yeah.
I've just watered him and I'm going to give the last feed before bed. Next video, you'll see me cleaning them out. Oi, out! Get out! Out! This way. Easy. Next video, you'll see me cleaning them out. And then I just chuck a bit down there. Because they like that spot. Right, I'll pick her up. Come on. You're cheeky, you are. You are so cheeky. Right, there you go. They're all in there fighting over it. Can't get it for each other. Right. I'll see you in a minute. As we've fed everything today, it's time to go now. Right, let's put the ducks to bed. Go bed, ducks! Come on, bed! Bed! Go bed! Go bed! Go bed! They do go after a while. Bed! Come on, bed! 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 Come on, bed! This one's pondering. This one is. No. Oi, come back! Yay! Right, see you viewers. See you next time.